Enabling or disabling keyboard auto-capitalization on your iPhone 15 allows you to customize your typing experience, either relying on automatic capitalization for convenience or maintaining full control over lettercase in your text input. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll down and tap on Keyboard. In the All Keyboards section, find and tap on Auto-capitalization. Finally, tap the toggle switch to turn auto-capitalization on or off. When enabled, your iPhone will automatically capitalize the first letter of each sentence. It will also capitalize proper nouns and the pronoun I as you type. When disabled, your iPhone won't automatically capitalize any letters. You'll have full control over capitalization in your text input. To test the feature, open any app that uses the keyboard, like Notes, and then try typing a few sentences. Once you're done applying your preferred keyboard settings, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. This feature allows you to balance between typing efficiency and precise control over text capitalization on your iPhone 15, adapting to your personal preferences or specific writing needs. And that's all there is to this guide. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.